All right, so it's day one of Week to Wicked, and I'm kind of excited on this one because I got my old pal Ryan back in the game, and he's here all week long along with Christian. But hey, why don't you throw it at him and tell him a little bit what we're doing?
Well, this week we're going to be building the 72 Chevy C-10. This is going to be the giveaway truck for the C-10 Nationals, and we're pretty excited about that as well because hopefully it's going to go to a good home, a new owner, and hopefully they'll have a lot of fun with it when we're done.
Absolutely. So the truck usually, like all of our other builds, it's already been painted, bright work's in, we got some of the interior done, so we're not claiming we're building the entire truck, but we do have a lot of parts to throw at this thing. The good thing about this, it's all bolt-on stuff. This is stuff you can follow along and even maybe get a truck of your own and throw some of these pieces at it.
Absolutely. And we're doing a couple things different this week. What are we doing for the motor and trans? We're not doing an LS this time.
No LSs. We've listened, and what have we done?
Oh, we're doing an LS3.
LS3. No, we've actually listened to the comments. You guys, we've gone back to some of your feedback, and we're not doing an LS3. We're not doing an LS at all. In fact, we're doing a
big block Chevy.
So today's plan is suspension and brakes. We got all the suspension bolt in this thing. We'll start the brakes on it. What we don't finish up on the brakes, we'll get to tomorrow morning and then put the steering in there. That way we'll have a rolling chassis.
Sounds good to me. Let's get started.
All right.
All we need is Christian. Where's Christian? Christian!
Yo!
There he is.
This is the LMC truck, C-10 Nationals Classic Trucks, Week to Wicked build, presented by Gandrud Chevrolet.
Hey Christian, let's just take it all out as one.
The whole,
Yeah, we gotta take the tie rod off first though.
Christian, pick that up.
What? Here we go. This is what I've been talking about.
Christian, pick that one up.
Got it.
then give it to me, the wrench.
It was just two of them?
Yeah, two on your side.
Careful with your foot, Jed.
Go ahead.
Woohoo!
Oh, you're still in.
Okay.
I'm gonna
Drop her down.
Go down, Louis.
There you go. Watch your fingers.
Okay, yeah, let's do this.
So we're gonna drop out this gas tank so we can put in another gas tank. This one is set up for a carburetor. We could use this one and put a universal pump in it, but we've already got one from TPP that's already been pre-drilled, pumps installed, so we're gonna use that one. He's getting all his safety gear on, and he's gonna go around and hit all these rivets. So I'm about double his age, so I've done about double these rivets. So in order for him to be as good at these rivets as I have been, he's got to practice a little bit more, and the job itself just sucks. Christian's got it though.
Got it.
So to make this a little easier, we got to take these brackets off. We got to take this crossmember out. It's easier just to add a little slice in here with the cutoff wheel, and then I can come through with the air chisel, bust that head right off there, and then just pop them through.
You guys are doing great.
Oh, what are you doing over there?
Not that one, this one. Where does your shock mount go?
Here, where the shock
So
mount
we're gonna
is.
cut this one out.
Yeah, that's the one you were supposed to cut
I
out.
cut this one out on accident.
You got a welder?
Yeah, I'll put it back up.
just cut it the rest of the way. Here. See if we can bend it.
All right, so first they're gonna clean up a little bit of the area under here, but what we're doing is the coilover conversion, we gotta cut a 4.5-inch hole.
Yep.
He's got a template plate here, which is also your bracket, right?
It is, yeah. This is one of about 4 different pieces. We've also got the shock mount, the bracket that mounts it to the frame, and it's actually pretty simple. So you've got an extra hole here that's not drilled out. These 3 holes fit right into the frame here. And then we're gonna get this set up, drop a couple bolts through here, get it stood up a little bit, use this as a guide, and go ahead and start drilling.
Go ahead.
How big of a drop are we going back here?
Probably 6 inches, I'm guessing.
I'm not sure.
Okay. You ready, brother? So what Ryan's getting ready to do is cut the notch out for the C-notch. That will give us a little more travel. So as we lower the truck down, we obviously need more space through the frame. And that's what this is gonna do. So he'll go ahead and cut it all out, and we'll be ready to bolt it back in. This corner too. You almost there.
Check that thing and see if it fits.
I like it.
We good?
This side up all the way? On the inside, does it look like it?
Well, how's the hole? This hole lines up. How's this hole? Can you see this one?
I don't see any holes on my side.
I don't think there are. Oh, we gotta knock these 2 rivets out.
What?
That's no big deal.
She's a no, oh baby.
You got your drill?
No, I don't have anything yet.
What size? Half
Does
inch?
she love me? I wanna know. Where's all of our drill guns at? We're down to 1. The other day I couldn't even find them. Christian must have taken them home. I leave my home. Oh. There you go. Got it. We're gonna win. Yeah!
What do we need to do,
Not the
Chris?
wiring hole.
I can't see my side.
I can't either. Chris, you're the director. Come on now.
Chris, if you're in the center, you must help us.
Can we get it forward and go straight?
Are you sure it goes that way, not the other way?
Yeah. No, Louis here. Louis knows.
Flip it, flip it.
No, that's right.
Are you for shiz?
Yeah, we got 2
The
guys
shock
from
is
CPP
in the
here.
rear.
Boom.
You are numero
See?
uno.
You know what
show.
you needed? You need Jefe to do it.
What'd you say?
So maybe because the frame's too narrow on account of we just cut the crossmember and welded it closed.
Perfect spot. It was actually it needed to be cut because the frame was bent and then now straightened.
Drill a little bit. You both in there.
Remember, Frankie, what we're gonna wanna do here is line up, yeah, that's
just
stud
like
in
that.
that hole.
All right, got it. Go.
Okay, that one's pretty good.
Yep, we're square. We're in the dowel. All right, going down. Yeah, we got. Danny, when did we make this kit? March? Hey. Get off.
Yeah. Got me. I think we're sideways.
Oh my God, can you imagine if I did that in the shop?
Can't even
I'd never hear the end of it.
Good enough.
What if I did that?
Dude, this is called weak to wicked, not open back door for another month.
Not open the door, do it right. Take a
Oh,
day.
I thought you were.
Down here,
Well, we
there's
might
a
as well make
spacer.
them the same. Here, can you wiggle that so I can get this in there? There you go.
15, 16. What do you think?
Keep going.
Yeah, we did it.
Well, maybe your side worked, but this side won't.
No, maybe. You want just a real mechanic to do it?
Yeah, because I'm definitely not a mechanic
Christian,
here.
can you look at that one?
I'm not a mechanic.
What's up, bro? He's certified.
And this one is also a little bit loose. So we still need to go around and just.
Nut me up. Pull her out.
Yeah, hold on. Let me get you.
I put the tight ones in, huh? Okay, you that. There.
There you go. Almost.
Gotta hold it down some. Ready? Now we're getting somewhere together.
Okay, that's good.
All right.
Lift it up.
Christian, do you know how to do that?
Yeah. Want to come hold my nuts?
You're right, Jason. Oh, you're done. What's taking Christian so long?
I don't know.
I just started.
I don't know.
Crazy guy?
Look at this. God.
It wasn't you.
Yeah, right there.
You just hit your head.
We have flat washers on that side, frame side.
Dude, it almost
Oh,
did.
God,
Can't put flat
dude.
washers in.
What is like a second kneecap?
The other side.
Wonder what kind of look like.
Limbo.
Push it in. So,
Look at the size of his pants on the bottom. Dude, are those the boot cut Dickies?
Yeah, I made it myself.
Damn, look at the size of those
They're
monsters.
30, 40s.
okay, here, Danny. Hey, put one on. Put one on. Stop. Put that one down on the left. Put it on the left. Set it down. There you go.
Jesus
Take out the
Christ,
U-bolt.
this
Take out
kindergarten?
the U-bolt. Yeah. Joe, thank you. It goes right here. No,
That?
no. There, yes. Put the U-bolt over the top. Come on, show me how bright you are.
Come on, jerk.
Show me your intelligence. Yeah, we do.
Hey, Danny,
Yeah.
I'm here and I must insist on not picking on Christian. He's my boy.
Thank you, Jay.
You got it, buddy.
I think it is centered, Luis. Luis, it is centered. Go ahead.
Right there under.
No. This extra shim.
Oh. Perfect. Boom. And then we're gonna flip it. Give me a Baron. Give me one Baron. I love how they come pre-packed.
So look on the perimeter.
Okay, where's the washer and nut? Right here. Here's the nut. Here's the whoosher. This is a whoosher. Ready? Let's go.
So I'm just making sure. So it needs, do you have one of the thin ones?
We'll get some tools, tighten it up, put the cotta pin in.
You'll need a,
Put that in. What happened? Well, I put it in hand tight and then I back it off 3 screws. Give me a hammer. Yeah, 3 whole turns after. Boom. Okay, get a caliper, nuts. Now the rotor for the 3rd time. Now the caliper.
Big.
What did you knock out?
The rivets.
What? The rivets? The rivets?
All right.
Rivet? Rivet?
I'm just gonna stop talking.
There's one angle up, just right like that. All right, so it's the end of day one, Monday, and got a lot done today. I feel pretty good. The guys from CPP are here still. They're wrapping up a few things, coming back tomorrow. What did we do?
We got the brakes on, we got the suspension on, we got the rear end in, we've got half the steering in.
Yep.
So tomorrow we'll come in, put the column in, bolt everything up, do the hydro stop.
Yep. Bleed the brakes, run some brake lines.
Put some stuff on the front of that Gandrud big block Chevy.
Yep.
Maybe get that thing in Wednesday morning.
Or even Tuesday night, depending on how everything goes.
Depends on how we feel.
Alrighty, so far so good. We still got 4 days to go, so we can really spruce things up.
Burnouts Wednesday night.
Out of here.